This is the Lorex 4K indoor-outdoor Wi-Fi camera. Is this going to be a good option for your home? Well, let's find out.
Hello guys, Lifehackster here. Today we are going to review the Lorex 4K Spotlight Indoor-Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 security camera. Now we are seeing more brands releasing models capable of recording in 4K quality. And I'm interested to see how this camera will perform because aside from being 4K, it is also Wi-Fi 6 ready. But you have to stick around because testing was pretty good in daytime, but there are some issues at night, which I'll show you later on. We'll check out its features, do a quick unboxing, setup, install, and check out its video and audio quality, and run our usual tests, and see if this 4K Wi-Fi camera from Lorex will be a good fit for your home. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Also, thank you Lorex for sending me this camera to be reviewed. First, let's check out its features. Impressive clarity day and night because it records in 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160 at 15 frames per second, and has a 135-degree field of view on the datasheet, but in the specs and the same paperwork it says 127 degrees. And on the box labeling it is 140 degrees, so I'm not sure which one is which. It has color night vision booster. Well, we will see this later on, because it says that we'll experience the best night vision in the market. We have to see this to believe. Smart security lighting. Well, it has this smiley face LED strip in the camera that you can adjust the colors. I'm not really sure what this feature has anything to do with security, but we will talk more about this later. It does have motion activated spotlights and siren. It is weather resistant with an IP65 rating and it has two-way audio. Aside from person, it has vehicle, animal, and package detection, which is good. It does have local microSD card recordings and it comes with a 32GB card and is compatible to up to 256GB and can also connect and record to Lorex's Fusion NVR. This camera can connect to 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and also compatible with Google and Amazon Alexa. Inside the box, we have some paperwork, we have setup instructions, we have a couple of window stickers and a mounting template. Then we have the camera itself and it is already connected to a permanent power cable 19.5 feet in length. And it has USB type connection for power supply. We have the camera lens, spotlights, and a smiley LED strip. We have the mic, infrared LED somewhere here. On the bottom, we have the speaker, and we have a covered area for the reset switch and the microSD card, which comes with a 32GB card. On the back, we have the Q20 screw mount, and as you can see, the power cable is attached permanently to the camera. What else do we have? We have the USB switching power adapter, 5, 9, up to 12 volts, and I tested this camera with a regular 5 volt 2 amp brick, and it works. We have a wrench, mounting screws and plastic anchors, cable clips, and lastly we have the plastic mount. Time to set this up. Plug in the camera and open up the Lorex Home app. Click the plus sign, choose Wi-Fi camera, scan the QR code which is on the bottom of the camera. Wait until the smiley light turns flashing green. Click join. Create a device password. Select the Wi-Fi you are going to connect to and type in the password and click connect. And if you associated your Lorex account with Amazon Alexa, the camera will automatically be configured to work with Alexa. Name your camera and setup is complete. Time to install this. Push the two tabs on the side of the mount to remove the mounting bracket. Screw in the bracket to a wall using the two included screws. Screw in the ball head part of the mount to the back of the camera. And push it into the mounted bracket and it will click and lock in place and adjust it to the position that you want. Let's check out the settings in the app. When you open up the app, you will see the recent snapshot from the camera. Click on it to get to live view, which loads up pretty quick. In here, you can take a snapshot, record the live view, or start two-way talk, which is full duplex. Turn on the siren, turn on the spotlights, which you have two options. One is just a light, but the camera will still be in black and white, or you can choose the second one, which says bright light, and will change the camera mode to full color. And one cool thing on this camera is that it has quick responses and also has a privacy mode. You can also view the recorded events where you can record and download to your phone. And also it has timeline of events. Clicking the three dots, you will go to the camera settings, where we have the notifications, where you can schedule them and also turn on thumbnails. Turning it off will give you faster push notifications. We have motion detection settings, and on smart detection, you can choose which AI you want to detect. person, vehicles, animals, and it also has package and package remove detection, which is nice. You can adjust the motion sensitivity from 1 to 5. And we have the light settings. We have the deterrence lights, which are the spotlights. And it is based on the AI detection. And for example, it will only light up when person has been detected. Light mode, choice of solid light or flashing. You can change the light brightness, and you can do this separately on each AI detection. And we will talk more about this later. As to smart lighting, which is the smiley LED strip, will work also based off AI detection. Like when a person is detected, it will change to the color that you chose. And also you can choose solid or flashing and change the brightness. And you can also schedule it. And you can pick a different color for vehicles or animals. You can change the color to anything you like. It also has the smart lighting modes. You have the working mode, which is basically a status light that shows that the camera is on. There's the party mode, which it will cycle through different colors. Panic mode, which the smiley LED strip will flash, and you can customize it. I'll tell you what I think about this later on. And we also have motion zones, and you can set different zones based on which AI you want to detect, which is actually a pretty good feature. This camera also has sound detection, and you can adjust this sensitivity. In video settings, it has HDR and records in 4K, but you have options for 2K, 1080p, or even 960p. Device storage shows the status of the microSD card. And there is this auto night vision, and if you want the camera to record in full color at night, you have to turn this off. Well, time to do some testing.
This is the video and audio quality of the Lorex 4K Wi-Fi camera. And to give clarity test at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
As to nighttime quality, well, this is where I have issues. With auto night vision toggled to on, the camera will be recording in black and white. Night vision with infrared on. And if you have the spotlight deterrence also on, the spotlights will turn on, but the camera will not change to color mode.
This is the video quality of the Lorex 4K Wi-Fi camera at night, and this with the spotlight turned on, and this is what it looks like at 10 feet. And it went back to black and white night vision, so it didn't detect me. But 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. The spotlight turned off.
So to enable color night vision mode, I have to turn off the auto night vision. But this camera doesn't have a low light sensor. And this is what you will see in my backyard, which has some ambient lighting. Also, the camera is not able to detect me, and that is why the spotlights are not on yet. And when it got triggered, it does have pretty good color night vision with the spotlights on. But it is short-lived because the spotlight will turn off after 10 seconds. And this is not adjustable in the app. We are going to test the motion alert notification speed of Lorex Wi-Fi 4K camera. And I'm on my LTE connection, and it is 204. So let's check it out. I have the thumbnail option turned on, so there's a little bit of delay here, but not bad. And when you click and hold in here, you'll get a snapshot preview, and then you can snooze the alerts if you want, and then when you click on it, it should go to live view or playback. So it is actually on the playback. Oh, that's cool. Alright, 205. Alright, it just turned 206, so it's been less than a minute, and we'll see what the notification cool off on the Lorex 4K camera. There you go. So I got a notification again. We are going to test the maximum detection distance of the Lorex Wi-Fi 4K camera. And I've set the sensitivity to the highest and also person detection only. So let's check it out at 40 feet. Nope, not at 40. Let's go 30. Oh yeah, it's 40 feet. Then I got a notification. Let's see. Just a little bit delayed there. That's it. Detected me at 40 feet. Cool.
This is the audio quality coming out from the Lorex 4K Spotlight Wi-Fi camera.
Nobody can come to the door right now. Please leave the package at the door. We'll be right there.
You're not allowed to be here. Get out.
Alright, now what I think. Video quality is decent for 4K. It is 15 frames per second though. Motion detection in both person and animals are pretty reliable. As to night vision, infrared black and white night vision is pretty good, and at this time, this is the most reliable setting, with auto night vision turned on. But don't expect to have color recordings. I don't know about what they advertise as color night vision because the use of the spotlights are very limited. It will only light up for 10 seconds and will turn off. There are no settings in the app that you can adjust or even schedule the spotlights to turn on continuously at night. Remember, they advertise this as a spotlight camera with color night vision. And if you turn off auto night vision, then its AI motion detection is not going to be reliable because the camera could barely see at night. Finally, the smart security lighting. The smiley LED light in the front of the camera. Well, this is just a novelty and I guess a gimmick, and it has nothing to do with security lighting. It is not bright enough to be a security light and just acts as a status light. Great that you can set it to change color when it detects a person and different colors for vehicles and animals. But what's the benefit of that? You'll not be seeing it anyways, and I'm not sure if animals and cars will appreciate the color change. If Lorex just focused on getting the spotlights to have more settings in the app and for it to be continuously on when it detects motion and not turn off after 10 seconds, then we could all experience the color night vision booster and supposedly the best night vision in the market. Well, you only get 10 seconds to experience that. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.